Okay, Mazda Astana, just taking out the ECU, just made a key for the car. Now we're going to program transponders to it. This is a 323 2003. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so what we decided to do is do a remote. So lock and unlock, and then obviously the standard key as well. So we've got that, and we've got a flip key remote. So this is much better. At least when you have shopping and all that, you don't have to worry about it. So final check. There we have it. So if you need keys made to your Mazda 323 0413 120444, and I can either give you two or one standard key. These cars come with a separate remote, or now I can give you a flip key remote just like this. Thanks for watching.